two phenomena, right? But contrast is just stark difference. So when two things just seem different, contrast. So don't use these terms interchangeably and out of context. And now the juxtaposition of incongruity is the whole process of merging this incompatibility into some sort of cohesive phenomena. So it's supposed to be contrast, but when you juxtapose them, there's a cohesiveness to this polarity. They become one, right? They might be independently ambiguous. They might merge together and create an ambiguous absurdity. But when this is juxtaposed now, this is where it's like when juxtaposition and incongruity merges into symbiosis, and this is where you get surrealism. Because surrealism might cause two incongruity to create something that's absurd, something that we consider absurdity.